Hey there, biology students. Here are your subplans for the second half of Block 3 and all of Block 4 on Tuesday, September 17th. You're going to have Mrs. Jacobson in the room, so she should know about all of you, okay? Know a little bit about everybody as well, so you should be extremely well behaved. Make sure that you are well behaved for the substitute, any substitute, all right? You're missing out on some pertinent information that yesterday's Block 8 and today's Block 1 got. You're going to start off today by taking the Unit 1 vocabulary test. It's a paper and pencil test. Mrs. J will pass that out to you if I haven't already passed it out to you, and you will get to knocking that out and then turn that into her. Okay, we will grade them at the beginning of the next class period, you and I. Alrighty. After that, what I need you to do is I need you to look through the purple colored sheet and the yellow colored sheet. Okay? And those documents are also found online right here under the Unit 2 Ecology page. Scroll down here. You can see in the table we've got the Unit 2 Ecology outline. That is the salmon colored sheet that you got last time and that we went through in class. There's also the project overview handout. That is the purple colored sheet that you're getting today. It goes over project option 1 and project option 2 in a little more detail. And then there's the Ecology Calendar, a printable version. That's the yellow sheet that you're also going to get today. And it gives you a tentative schedule of events of when we're going to be visiting the Spring Creek Golf Course, what topics we'll be covering on what days throughout the duration of the unit, and also when the test will be. That is the same calendar that can be viewed on the bottom side of the Unit 2 page right here. Okay, it's just in printable form. I will try to update that if things were to change with our schedule over the next 3.5 to 4 weeks. But you can tell we'll be visiting the Spring Creek Golf Course for the first time on Thursday. You need to make sure that you dress appropriately. Dress for the weather. I'm okay if you wear shorts. I'm okay if you wear t-shirts. No sandals. No open-toed shoes. You have to have tennis shoes on. And I advise that it's older clothing, because we will be out trekking through some of the taller, rough areas of the golf course, identifying some basic specimens of tallgrass prairie plants, and trying to identify some basic situations of ecological hierarchy. Okay? You do have a homework assignment for Thursday, and that is to watch the Ecology Lesson 1 video, where I cover the definition of ecology, abiotic versus biotic factors, habitats and niches, and ecological hierarchy. So make sure you watch that video. It's about 7.5 minutes long. You do not have to complete a WSQ for it, but do what you feel is necessary. Some of you still think that you might need to type up a summary to me and email it to me so I get you some feedback, or write it out a WSQ, or tweet me some questions as you're watching the video, whatever it may be. Okay? Whatever you can do to best obtain the information from that video in the most effective and efficient manner, do that. All right? I think that about does it. Make sure you read through those documents. Okay? I'm not here to really walk you through each one, but I'll be here to answer some questions for you next class period. Also due next class period at the end of the day on Thursday is your first task for the project, and that is you telling me what project you are doing for the unit and if you're going to be doing it with any other individuals. Okay? You're not limited to just the individuals that are inside of your class. If you feel like you want to work with another student that is in a different biology block, that is fine. We're going to go ahead and test that out, see how that works out. Okay? But make sure you look over the project overview handout so you have a good understanding of what each project will entail, and also take a look at that calendar. Okay? Both those documents are right here on the web page, and look back to the salmon colored outline sheet. Okay? A good little descriptive outline for you on how all of this stuff is going to kind of take place throughout this unit. Okay? If you have any questions, email me or contact me in seminar on Wednesday. See you later.